What's up, guys? This is Sonic 2D Blast Dude here. I am on the Brooklyn bound N train. We're already left Lexington Avenue, 59th Street. The next stop is going to be 5th Avenue, 59th Street. Right now, I'm in the process of helping some people get to 81st Street, Museum of Natural History. Step 1 is to take the N train to Times Square, 42nd Street. Okay, we are now leaving 49th Street. The next stop is Times Square, 42nd Street. Step 1 is almost done. Okay, we have made it to Times Square, 42nd Street. Step 1 is done. Okay, we are now leaving Times Square, 42nd Street, Port Authority Bus Terminal on the 168th Street bound C local train. The next stop is going to be 50th Street. Step 2 has started.
Transfer is available to the E train.
Okay, we are now leaving 72nd Street. The next stop is 81st Street, Museum of Natural History.
This is 81st Street, Museum of Natural History. Transfer to the M79 Select Bus Service.
Alright, this is 81st Street, Museum of Natural History.
This is 168th Street bound C local train. The next stop is 86.
That's it for this adventure. This is Sonic 2D Blast Dude. I'll see you next time.